What if trust and stability mattered more than flashy features? The surprising truth about blue chip banking in 2026 might change how you view digital banks. Blue chip banking positions itself as a reliability-first financial platform. It's designed for users who want strong fundamentals, clean design, and minimal surprises. Account setup is straightforward, and the interface prioritizes clarity over complexity. Blue chip offers standard checking and savings with competitive, steady interest rates. While it doesn't promise the highest returns, it focuses on consistency and transparency. Most people get this wrong by chasing higher rates without understanding the trade-offs, but Blue Chip plays the long game. One notable feature is spending categorization. Transactions are automatically sorted with high accuracy, making it easy to track where money goes each month. This helps users identify leaks without digging through statements. Blue Chip also provides monthly financial health summaries. These reports show trends rather than just balances, helping users spot improvement or decline early. You won't believe how useful this becomes over time. The limitation is innovation speed. Blue Chip rolls out new features slowly, prioritizing stability over experimentation. For some users, this feels reassuring. For others, it may feel restrictive. So, is blue chip banking still worth it in 2026? If you value trust, clarity, and a no-nonsense approach to money, the answer is yes. It's ideal for users who want fewer risks and fewer surprises. Subscribe for more grounded, real-world banking reviews.